We are showing you the impact of community service with those who might find themselves in need.
Yeah, this is such a fantastic story. Teray Gables hanging out live this morning at the Jesus House. Teray, 40 years worth of celebrations, and this is it's such an awesome part of our community.
That's right, and Rick Denny is the executive director of Jesus House. 40 years celebrating. Tell us a little bit about what you're celebrating.
40 years of serving the community in Oklahoma City, clothing people who need clothes, giving people groceries who don't have enough to prepare their own meals, giving homeless to the shelter, to the unsheltered homeless, giving them shelter. Feeding the hungry with prepared meals in our soup kitchen, just serving the less fortunate in Oklahoma City. It's been a privilege to serve our community for over 40 years, and we're excited about serving more people better in the next 40 years.
Now, you guys are doing a big function coming up, and those that would be interested, they can go to your website, get more information, but tickets are still available.
Yes, JesusHouseOKC.org is the place to get tickets. At the bottom of our homepage, there is a link to information about our 40th anniversary event, and we would love to have people in the community come and celebrate it with us as we just talk about the Jesus House and our plans for the future and what we do and celebrate 40 years of serving others.
Now, you also do community outreach. Tell the viewers a little bit about your outreach projects that you have going on.
We do. Our philosophy here is not to just wait for people to come to us who need help. We do a street ministry outreach on Saturdays where we take breakfast, a warm breakfast and hot coffee to the unsheltered homeless and just fellowship with them and try to gain their trust and try to convince them to come with us and come into a shelter and get in off the streets. We have an Adopt-A-Block outreach also on Saturdays to where we take teams, volunteer teams from this warehouse will go out in the two poverty-stricken communities on either side of us and find people who need the resources that we have here, people who need groceries, people who need clothing, and let them know that we're here. It would be such a waste if people were just blocks away who needed the resources that were here and they didn't know about them. So we're real big on outreach.
And not only that, volunteers. I mean, it doesn't get any better when you have a special place like this, Jesus House, and volunteers are the backbone.
The wheels do not turn here without volunteers, and we love volunteerism. On our website, you can also go to our website, JesusHouseOKC.org, and you can go to our volunteer page, submit a volunteer application, and that'll be submitted, and we will contact you and schedule a time that's good for you to come in and help.
Now, of course, the big key is that ongoing. I mean, the need is ongoing. So folks can still donate to the cause. Tell them how they can do that.
Yeah, we get a lot of coverage at Thanksgiving and Christmas, but this is 365, 24/7 for us. So you can donate online any time of the year, JesusHouseOKC.org, or come by and just see us and talk to us, and we'd be glad to show you around and what we do and tell you how else you can help.
All right, and if you want more information, you can go to our website, okcfox.com, click on our links, and with that, Bill and Michelle, this is what Jesus House does. They help people all day, every day. With that, Teray Gables reporting live here at the Jesus House. I'll send it back to you.
Such an amazing organization, Teray. Thank you so much.